In this video, we're going to have some fun with Azure AI Custom Vision. We'll build and train an anomaly detection model. And yes, it sounds fancy, but trust me, it's easier than making a good cup of coffee on a Monday morning. Next up, we're creating a custom vision project in Azure. Don't worry about the settings. For our very first run, we'll just keep the suggested defaults. Now let's upload some images. To keep things simple, we'll just teach our model two categories: a hoof that's healthy and a hoof that's injured. Of course, you could add way more tags if you wanted to, but for now we'll keep it simple and easy to follow. All we have to do is hit that magical train button, wait a couple of minutes, and voila, our very own model is ready to use. No PhD required. Now let's grab two completely different photos and see if it actually works. To make it more fun, we'll use a super simple Python script, nothing fancy, just to show how the AI looks at the hoof and decides, healthy or injured. Let's see if our little digital horse whisperer gets it right. We've got our first test case, hoof 1 as the healthy hoof and hoof 2 as the injured one. With just a simple command, we kick off our little test program. And look at that, it works. Azure AI actually tells us which hoof is happy and which one needs some care. And that's it, anomaly detection with Azure AI in under an hour. If you like this demo, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe for more AI adventures.